SFF. Today I will be showing you how to install decals on the Hyundai Tucson. The tools required for the installation is a lint-free cloth which you use for wiping the vehicle down before installation, a 3M bowl cut to squeegee out the water once the decal is installed, an Olfa SVR-1 knife to trim all the edges, a paper towel to absorb all the ends once the decal is installed. We need a spray bottle, a felt squeegee for also applying the decal, and the actual decal itself, which is cut on our rolling machine, which is a silver grey material. All tools required for the installation can be purchased from SFF. Now we'll be preparing the body of the vehicle. So as you can see, I'm actually spraying the bottom of the vehicle to get it cleaned off. I'm just running my fingers along the body of the vehicle just to find if there's any dents or scratches on it prior to the installation. So once that's sprayed on, we use our lint-free cloth, which we'll use to wipe down the actual area which we'll be working on. Now we're going to install the decal. Firstly, you need to pick up your decal, have a friend with you to assist you with the installation. Remove the decal from the backing sheet slowly, as you can see. Okay, get this backing sheet out of the way. Use your same soapy solution in your spray bottle to spray the decal. Make sure it's nice and wet before you install. Okay. Now, the Tucson has a lining on it. So we're going to use the lining as a guideline to install our decal. So I can just okay. Okay, now that we have lined the vehicle, we're going to use our tools, our 3M bowl cut and our Mactac Soft Squeegee to take out all the water bubbles. So you can start from the center and work. We have trimmed our decal. The next step is to remove the pickup tape from the decal in order for the Tucson to stay back. In this instance, the decal is still wet, so we are going to use a heat gun to fasten the process. Okay, if the weather is good, park the vehicle in the sun. This will assist in drying the vehicle. Okay, once it's done, I'm sure we'll be able to actually remove the pickup tape right now. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, drop us a message below. Don't forget to subscribe to our page for the latest videos.